Have you been under the weather, foggy, or just not feeling like yourself? Please join me for a slow, soothing yoga flow to release tension and to help you feel grounded. Hi, this is Shirkendra. I help women over 40 and beginners to build self-confidence in movement and how to live a healthier lifestyle. Also, don't forget to subscribe to stay supported on your wellness journey. Let's get started. Go ahead and get comfortable in your mat. I'm sitting on a yoga pillow for added support, added cushion. Let's sit nice and tall here. Lengthen our spine. You may rest your hands on your knees, and one over your heart or over your belly, whichever you prefer. Close your eyes. Let's take a deep breath in. Side out. Deep breath in. And side out. I want to thank you for joining me today, and thank yourself for showing up, grounding and centering ourselves, giving ourselves joy, being grateful for today. This is your time. This is your moment. This is your time of peace. Go ahead and invite that into you. Open your heart and receive joy today. Deep breath in. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Gently open your eyes. Very good. Let's move into child's pose. If you have your cushion, you may move it aside. Come down towards the end of your mat. Spread your knees out towards the end of your mat, big toes touching. And slowly come back and rest your forehead on the mat. Allow your belly button and your entire body to relax here. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Come up to a tabletop. And let's go back into a puppy pose. This is a modification for a downward facing dog. It's also a deeper stretch here. You feel your chest opening, your heart opening. Again, if you need a cushion under your knees, you can do that. And we'll rest here for 4 regular breaths in and out through your nose. Inhale and exhale. Good. Slowly come up. And let's go ahead and lay down on our mat. Take your time. And let's roll back, knees into you, and let's stretch them up. Our legs up the wall. You may rest your hands on the floor or on your belly, or you can have them out at your sides. And as we're resting here, go ahead and do some circles. Just rotate your ankles. Again, allowing that blood flow to come down into your legs, into your hip area. Continue to breathe. Good. And bend your knees into chest. And let's rock back and forth. You may feel a little crunchiness in your lower back, in your sacrum. That's completely normal. That means you're releasing any tension that may be built up back there. Sometimes when we are under the weather, or when we get colds, or when we get sick, our body tends to tighten up. And so this practice is good for easing back into things. If you have a regular exercise routine that you do, a good way to soothe back into things, the slow pace. Good. All right, let's hold your right leg in, extend your left leg out, and we're going to twist to your left for a spinal twist. Your right arm is still extended out, and if you're able, look over your right shoulder. You'll feel that twist in your back, your entire spine. You feel a stretch in your shoulder as well as your arm. Couple breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Slowly come up. Come back. Switch legs. Left leg in, right leg extended out, and we'll twist to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Very good. Come back. Bring both knees into your chest. Ready, we can go ahead and extend your legs out for our final relaxation pose. And allow your body to sink deep into the floor. Not worrying about perfection here. Again, just being grateful for showing up today. Again, I thank you. And just relax here for a moment. Allowing yourself to bring clarity back in. Again, bringing joy back in, whatever makes you happy. It's always important on our wellness journey. Let's take a few deep breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. So let's go ahead and bring our legs up, bend your knees, and let's come to the side. And then slowly come up into seated pose. Let's inhale our arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. And let's take a bow. Thank you so much again for joining me today. If you have just one more minute of anti-inflammatory smoothie, so we'll go ahead and get to the kitchen now. I'll show you that. Thank you so much. Today's recipe is my go-to anti-inflammatory smoothie. It has simple and nourishing ingredients that soothe inflammation and boost the immune system. I'm using 2 cups of almond milk, cups of pineapples, 2 bananas, spoon of ground turmeric, 1/3 teaspoon of ground ginger. I drink about a cup a day, and I store the rest in the freezer or the fridge. This pineapple turmeric smoothie is absolutely delicious for building up immunity for those colds. This is definitely the season for it. Please let me know how you like it in the comments below. Let me know if you tried it before or if you have any other recipe ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye.